It is with great pleasure that I stand before you today. Welcome, esteemed guests, colleagues, and friends to New York City. We are also currently joined by thousands of viewers from across the globe, live via internet webcast. Herzlich willkommen. Bienvenue. Dobro Pašalović. Irashimai se. Waning Dachia. Kop kun ka. Buongiorno. Shalom. My name is Rudi Spiller and I'm the CEO of leica-camera AG. Today, September 9th, 2009, is a very special day for me. The employees of leica-camera, brand aficionados, and even those who have never held a Leica camera before. Today is the culmination of years of research, millions of dollars in development, and the combined will of hundreds of engineers from around the world. At Leica, we aspire to create the finest photographic equipment. We take extra time and effort in designing and crafting these products, not only because our audience anticipates the finest, but they expect the extraordinary. And for this reason, we spare no expense. We challenge ourselves every day to produce the unimaginable, the unthinkable, the impossible. Some skeptics scoff at this, but we are proud of it. A lens one can use in candlelight without a flash. Not possible, they say. The optical barrier is unbreakable. Not so. This is the 50mm f.95 Noctilux, an incredible feat of engineering, the world's first aspheric lens faster than f1 for 35mm cameras. We only use the finest materials in every component of each of our cameras. Our heralded M rangefinder cameras have over 1,300 parts. Each camera is hand-assembled and takes over 7 hours to complete. We are not interested in making cameras with a machine that stamp out 100,000 units per month. We desire to create photographic tools like an artist's fine brush or a mason's level. Both professional and novice photographers have an instant connection with Leica camera. The value of Leica products is tangible. The experience is personal. Like using a sharp, well-balanced cooking knife. One smiles and says, "Ah, this is what it's supposed to feel like." Today's announcement is themed in our own history going back 160 years. From our beginnings in crafting incomparable microscopes, we began a new chapter when in 1911, mechanical engineer Oskar Barnack joined the Leitz family. With a personal passion steeped in photography, Mr. Barnack eventually designed the Leitz camera, or Leica. Considered a miniature camera for its time, this ingenious Leica gave birth to a new form of photography in which the photographer was freed from the tripod and allowed to collect what Henri Cartier-Bresson would later call the decisive moment. The Leica M3, the first Leica rangefinder camera with mount interchangeable lens, started production in 1954. To this day, photographers use this camera not to sit on the shelf and be admired, but to capture photos. We at Leica build rugged products designed to last not one, but several lifetimes. Our precision is perfect. Our aim is true. Our factory workers strive for the very perfection of our cameras represent. They train for years. Engineers at our repair facility can repair almost any camera or lens Leica has ever made because people love and cherish their Leica cameras and continue to use them. Even lacking film, these cameras tell stories. Some users even pride themselves on the amount of brazing their cameras have, almost like comparing battle scars, each more harrowing than the next. Someone asked me the other day, who still uses a Leica camera? My grandfather used one, but that was many years ago. I smiled, almost knowing where the next question was going. Why should I buy a Leica? I answered earnestly, we are not competing with the Goliaths in this industry. Our users and future users are those who appreciate the details of fine craftsmanship, whether in a car, a suit, or a bottle of wine. They do not conform, but choose products and experience because they reflect their inner self. They are passionate in the never-ending pursuit of perfection, whether at a party with friends, on the streets of Buenos Aires, or at a fashion shoot in Paris. A Leica user knows he can trust his equipment. It is a finely tuned instrument, an extension of himself. Our users are adventurists, seeking the untold stories of humanity, of peaks yet to be climbed. They are artists, humanitarians, and photojournalists capturing insightful moments. It is here in the photographs we see and capture that we at Leica are reminded of our heritage and our future, seeing the world removed from a tripod. Photography is not about interfaces, gadgets, bells, or whistles. At its core, it is about seeing something and wanting to capture it as you saw it, right there in that moment, without distraction, without delay, and later bringing the viewer into the exact same moment as it happened. Much of what makes a photograph special is the story on where and how it was taken. It is here, in this experience, in the pursuit of that special moment, when hesitation and fear subside and curiosity and creativity collide, that a true Leica photographer can be found. Today I'm here to present to you 3 new Leica products, which will follow the Leica tradition of excellence and perfection. These new cameras are on the cutting edge of design and will offer future options to discerning photographers, photo enthusiasts, and brand admirers. First, a camera system unlike anything else in the market, combining the highest image quality available with ease of use and expert handling. The next, a successor camera, forged from the same DNA as its long and distinguished bloodline. This camera became an instant classic in 1954 and now is perfectly designed, fully digitized to exacting standards in 2009. And finally, a new camera line, designed for the beginner. A sleek and simple tool, small and fast, highlighting and elementary qualities of photography. Now it is with great pleasure that I introduce to you Mr. Stefan Daniel,